What's the meaning of ambassador? Ambassador. 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 Ambassador.
The term ambassador refers to a diplomatic envoy of the highest rank, who represents their country in another nation or international organization. Ambassadors are appointed by their national government and serve as a liaison between their home country and the host country or organization. They are responsible for promoting and protecting their country's interests and fostering diplomatic relations with the host nation. Ambassadors engage in negotiations, attend official events, and offer guidance on matters related to trade, security, and cultural exchange. Their role is crucial in maintaining peaceful ties between nations and advancing mutual interests.